Wisconsin, and we're coming out to Anderson Dock here to do a little cleanup. We're gonna be diving around the whole dock, coming over to these docks over here. We saw some tires in there and some other trash, some fishing line, some lures. A lot of people fish out here, so we're gonna get out there and clean her up. The water feels good.
Oh, that's a drone.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Is it alright if we head that way? Come around the corner? Thank you. I'm over here. Oh, feeling it late. There we go. Got a pipe. That chunk of metal is too heavy. If we had a rope, I could tie it on. Woo! Wow! Oh, good job. Got my Coke bottle. Woo. Well, it's more than I thought was in there. Well, the rest I can manage. Thanks to the Village of Ephraim for taking care of that stuff. Appreciate it. Got a bunch of metal, a couple tires out of there, a hat, some plastic, and whatever this thing is here. A couple other random items right here. One of the most exciting finds here was this drone right here. DJI in the back. Ultralight 249G Mini 3 Pro. That's what that one's called.
Hi, Micah DeSalvo with Northern Door Vacations here. Wanted to take a moment to thank Ed the Diver for retrieving our drone that we lost on Anderson Dock just a bit ago. We spent a lot of time in Door County, Wisconsin, using the drone to capture videos and images of our vacation rentals. Without that, it was a little challenging after hitting the dock inadvertently and dropping to the bottom of the lake. Ed the Diver was able to retrieve it, which means a ton to us. Thank you so much, and keep up the great work.
Found someone's fishing rod here, a couple hats. You got a Titleist hat there, according to Charlie Barron's. Milwaukee Admiral's hat, some sunglasses, a couple lures, some glass, some more glass over here. Found a really cool bottle here from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. It's a Coca-Cola bottle. And thanks to the Village of Ephraim for cleaning up all the trash for us.